FitOrbit has become a part of my everyday life. I am living proof that at 54 years of age, you can follow the program and lose 18 pounds in 24 weeks. I don't have to think about how my day is going to, when am I going to exercise, or what am I going to do today, or what am I going to eat today. I actually have someone that I can email and say, hey, that was too hard. What can I try instead? This food isn't going to work for me. What can I eat instead? I chose Terry because she was going to be a hard advanced trainer, and little did I know that I wasn't as advanced as she wanted me to be, and kept telling me, hey, run 5 miles, and there was no way I was running. I couldn't run a day in my life.
She kept telling herself that she couldn't, and one day she finally did, and not only did she run, but she ran an entire mile, and she sent me a message saying, I can't believe you, Terry, that I was telling you that I couldn't even run, and now I ran an entire mile.
It was great to have someone acknowledge the achievement for me, that little achievement of never being able to run. To run an entire mile was just awesome. I have had just people walk up to me and go, oh my gosh, you keep losing more and more weight. My stomach has shrunk tremendously. It's the body change that, people are noticing. I have gotten from my trainer a program that works for a 54-year-old person.
Debbie?
Terry.
Hey, how are you? It's so good to see you in person.
Good to see you. I thank you so much for everything you've done and the encouragement that you've given me.
Your determination's what got you through it.
I've been on the program for 24 weeks and I feel fantastic. This little journey that I thought was a quick fix journey for me is actually now a lifetime change.